In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ShootingPlus V3 on iOS. So you have in here this article that should be able to help us on connecting their controller to the ShootingPlus V3 application. So to set it up, you just need to hold down the V3 button while pressing the right joystick straight down. Do not press the joystick forward, backward, or sideways because you need it straight down. Now press it directly to download until it clicks and the indicator light will start flashing white. So once in the pairing mode on your iPhone, turn on your Bluetooth and then for the list of available devices, select the PCPMCONL. Open the Shooting Plus V3 app, then the app will automatically detect the connected controller. Once the connection is complete, the indicator light will remain solid and you can head over and use it directly for your actual setup. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need.